How are you going, everybody? It's Naviforce here. Today we still prepare an unboxing video of our women's watch, and the model number is the NF5028. Okay, now first let's take a look at the packaging here. The white rectangular box, which is very elegant and textured, and you can see the logo, the silver printed logo is very clear here at the center, very nice. And okay, let me open it. Okay, you can see there is some stuff in the box. This one is the guarantee card, and our warranty period is for 1 year. And this one is the instruction manual for our basic fundamental, the Quartz watches. This one is very detailed, and it can help you to adjust your new watch. Okay, here this watch is the model, the NF5028 that we will unbox today. Okay, you can see the color, the rose gold pink. I have to say that this kind of pink color is very captivating. As usual, we introduce its parameters, the specifications first. Okay, the NF5028 adopt a Japanese quartz movement from the cycle instrument ink, so it is quite durable to use. And pay attention that the case is made of zinc alloy material. And now we will see the back side of this watch. And here at the center, you can see the model number is the NF5028, and the back material is stainless steel, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. And all of our quartz watches are make use of the hardened mineral glass, so that is quite wear resistant and scratch resistant, and transparent, very clear to see the time. And next I wanna show you the size measurement. The case diameter of this model is 37 mm, and the thickness is only 8.8 mm. Then we are going to look at the dial and the bezel design here. The dial design is really captivating, I think, and special and unique. You know, the mother of pearl dial here, the dial surface design, it uses the mother of pearl. This kind of material is quite unique and distinctive. So each watch you bought from our website is a little different from the dial design. Is a little bit different. On the bezel here, there is a circle of shiny crystal diamonds. Here on the bezel, a circle here. It is quite easily to catch your eyes. Also, this model features unique and elegant the dial design, just as I said before, and it comes with slender Roman numeral stars of retro style here as the scale. So giving a touch of gentleness and brilliance. Very nice, and you can see under the reflections, the light reflections, it shows a gentle luster from the dial inside. Okay, the watch strap is made of Milanese stainless steel. The woven strap is very convenient and comfortable. The hook buckle here. It's very easy to adjust, and it's quite thin and fit to your wrist. And the total length of this watch is 240mm, so the length is quite enough. Okay, finally let's see all the colors of this model. As you can see, there are a total of 6 colors here. Okay, now let me show you one by one. Well, the first one is the rose gold white. This one adopts the rose gold case and lugs, and the Milanese woven strap is the shiny and captivating rose gold. And here the white mother of pearl dial is very nice and pure and delicate. Okay, the next one here is the rose gold green. This one also adopts the rose gold, the case, the lugs, and the woven straps here. But the green is quite different. It's the light mint green. This kind of green is very unique and special, and in the market there are few watches uses this kind of colors matching. So it's very nice to pick. Okay, and the third one here is the rose gold pink. Okay, the same rose gold case and lugs and the straps, but pay attention that the dial designed the coral pink mother of pearl dial. This kind of colors is also very distinctive. This kind of coral pink, it's very lovely and childlike and girl-like. It's very elegant, and it suits a sense of gentle temperament. Okay, the fourth one here, the different color matching. This one is the silver deep blue. This model, this color uses the silver case and the lugs and the silver Milanese woven strap. And here the deep blue mother of pearl dial. The mother of pearl dial, this kind of deep blue is very mesmerizing and intellectual sense. So I think this kind of color matching suit for the women who are very charming and graceful and intellectual. Here comes the fifth one. This one is the silver light blue. This one, the silver case and lugs and the woven straps, and the light blue dial design here. It's like the lake and the water. It's very clean and pure and very flashy. The patterns, the unique mother patterns on the dial is make this watch is like more lake resembles ripples. Very captivating. And here the last one color is the silver white. This one is very casual and it uses the silver case locks and the Milanese woven straps, and the dial design is the elegant white. Like I said before, it's very pure and classic. It's a choice that never make mistakes to match your clothes, match your daily outfit. Okay, each one is very shiny and amazing. Okay, that's all amazing content of the NF5028 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.